Hey everyone, Happy New Year! I hope 2023 will bring you all lots of good times, good food, and good health. I'm Sabrina Villalon, the registered dietitian here at Tulsa Cares, and today I'd like to talk with you all about grocery shopping. Grocery shopping is something that we all have to do, but sometimes it can feel a bit overwhelming and more like a chore. Not to mention that the grocery store takes away a big chunk of your money and time. Whether you're picking up just a few things or stocking up for the week, there are plenty of simple ways to save time and money, which is what we'll be discussing today. A good place to start is by taking inventory of the items you already have in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Think about the 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Start by adding any missing food items to your grocery list. And speaking of a grocery list, it can be helpful to shop with a list in hand. It's easy to think you'll remember every item you need to buy, but in the hustle and bustle of grocery shopping, there's always bound to be something that you forget. In addition, if you are someone who hates throwing away food, shopping with a list in hand can help curb some of that food waste. Planning out weekly meals, whether that be 1 or 2 meals or the whole week, can help you organize the items that you need to purchase. Planning out meals, whether it be breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, can help you increase nutrients in your diet, like adding more fruits, vegetables, or fiber. Organizing your grocery list into items in groups, such as grocery section or food groups, can make the whole grocery shopping experience much quicker. Using grocery list templates, like this one I have here, can help organize the food groups for you. One way to make sure you don't overspend while shopping is to never shop on an empty stomach. On top of making it harder to concentrate when your body is hungry, hungry shoppers have the potential to buy items that they don't really need or fill their cart with more snack-related items. Other ways to save some extra money is by signing up for your grocery store's loyalty programs or buying foods on sale and in season. When perishable items you buy often are on sale, think about buying in bulk to free some of the items for the future. Even items like milk can be frozen and thawed for future use. And my final tip for you all today is to try to grab perishable items from the back of the shelf. Grocery stockers follow a first in, first out organization method, meaning that they stock new inventory behind the older inventory. For many items like packaged food, frozen foods, expiration dates are far away. But it's worth reaching to the back for dairy, produce, eggs, and other fresh foods to grab the item with the most distant expiration date. As always, if you have any additional questions, I'm available to talk anytime. Thanks for watching.